Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the stream. So the today's goal is to make a game in 60 minutes. Let's start by making the Unity project. Let's create a simple 3D project and let me create the project. Let me create the project. Hmm. Welcome, welcome everyone to the stream. Unity is launching and let's see. Let me also add a timer because we have a goal. uh, huh. Let's start the timer. So the timer is started and our goal is to make a game in just 60 minutes and our Unity is launched. So first of all we have to create an idea and then we have to work with it. So let me think. Let's create a shooter game. And if someone don't know how I'm making the game, I'm making the game with Playmaker. Actually it's a visual scripting tool for Unity and I'm make using that. Let me import Playmaker and make sure you only see the Unity screen. Amar Shwak, me here. Good to see you back again, sir. Thank you, bro. Unity is Playmaker is imported. Let me see the timer. Or did I close? Just closed it. Let me see it. Yeah, no, it's working. So, mhm. So yeah, let's start. Let's create a character. Let's set up scene first. So this is our main scene. Let's name it main scene. And is the stream is working correct? Can you tell me in the chat is the stream is working correct? So in the main scene we have to create mhm, uh, cube. Let's make a cube a plane. Let's make cube a plane. Start with a size 10 in the y, 10 size 0.2. Make a thick plane for the game and maybe 20. Hmm. Hmm. Let's use a bean as a character. Capsule. Okay, we need to make the plane a little larger. Let's add a bit more space. Mhm. Let's make a character. Let's design him a little bit. Make him a little up from the ground. So let me add. Let's design the character and let's add him some eyes, maybe glasses, cube. Give him a size of 0.1 or 0.01. No, 0.05. That's okay. And make him a bit smaller, a bit smaller. Move it forward. These are glasses for the character, showing that this is the front side of our character. Let me resize the cube. I could name it to glasses and name it to player. GTA series, bro. GTA series will be uploaded soon again, so don't worry, it will be uploaded soon again. So I will try my best to record the next part for the GT series. Okay, let me add just the player, make him movable. Let's make it first person, so then we should not need the glasses. Maybe let's make it first person and move it upwards a little bit. Yeah, and let's add the playmaker efficiency. Playmaker, welcome back, sir. Good to see you again. Thank you, bro. We have only 48 minutes left. And we need to finish a game, so let's speed up the work. Make it, name it player movement and edit it, dock it here. Simple character control, simple move, and we need a simple control, character control, and the character control is already set, so we need to report the capsule collider, move vector, new variable, vector speed should be 2 space word falling when no, just do this and haha. Like the character controller, simple move is done. Let's add a mouse look for the camera. Change the specify game object, add the main camera, and we need only mouse Y. And let's add another because we need to rotate the player also. So use honor and mouse X. Let's see. Okay, we can look here and there, and we cannot move because we have not get axis vector. Store that vector in that vector and relative to the camera. And let's see, does he move or not? Okay, he's moving. Maybe he's moving, but with a very slow speed. Let's close the maximum zoom play, dock the game screen here. Okay, the scene screen, not the game screen. Okay, let me see if it works or not. Okay, let me see. Okay, he's moving but with a very slow speed, so we have to tweak the speed 5. Okay, he is moving with now a reasonable speed. He can look here and there, up and down. Okay, that's nice. Let's set the speed to 5 and how much time do we have? 43 minutes left. Now we have to add some materials. Let me import some materials. Asset store. Let me bring some materials. Prototype materials. Now we need to create a gun so we can shoot bullets. So um so where is the head? Let me see one thing. Does the camera clips or not? Okay, the camera doesn't clips. So let me add a gun in the main camera, or we can also add the gun Now we need to create a gun so we can shoot bullets. So um so where is the head? Let me see one thing. Does the camera clips or not? Okay, the camera doesn't clips. So let me add a gun in the main camera, or we can also add the gun. uh, so we have only 40 minutes left. Let me add a gun. Now we need to create a gun. Let me edit the gun. The gun looks stiff. uh, Create 3D object cube. Let's move to 0 point. Okay, that is actually not a gun, but we can say that it's a gun. Let me import some prototype materials. Hello, Umar Ashwaq. Hello, welcome to the stream. Prototype materials. Let me add it to my assets. Import it from here. Windows package manager. Add it to my assets. I accept. Okay, let me add the material package manager in my assets. Refresh. We have only 38 minutes left. Okay, let's do the work fast. Fast. Let's make the cube a little smaller. And add a empty object. Name it gun. Control X, Control V. Okay, make it parent. Now we have a gun model. Move it. Okay, where is? Let's move it to the center. And now move the gun. Okay, reload the assets. I need the prototype. Oh shit. Okay, now I have to add the materials manually. Materials. Let's add a ground material. Material ground. Name it ground. Make the material dark. Not that dark, but dark. Now we have a reasonable material for the surface, and yeah, we have to add material for the player. Let's add material for the player. Material. Let's need player. Make it green. Okay, the material's green. Mhm. The gun. Let's add a material for the gun. Material. Gun. Gray. Let's move the gun. Let's position the gun first. Okay. Let's position the gun. Let's point its inwards. Okay. Let's rotate these two. Uh, uh, Now we have the gun, and yeah, let's see. We have added the gun, and let's make some shooting. Add component, playmaker, FSM, shooting. Um, get mouse button down. Mouse button down. We have to make the left. Shoot. Um, shoot. When it shoots, go to this. Send a raycast. Raycast. Make it red. Distance to 10. Let's debug it. Debug. Let's see. Okay. After this, store hit event check, store hit object, new variable obj. Let's add it as object. How much time left? Only 30 minutes, actually 33 minutes. And let me also add the window capture. And um, okay, never mind. uh-huh. Let me add some. Let me add what? Let me add, yeah, hit event. Let's join this, and Uh-huh. Check. That is compare. Compare object, game object, compare tag. The game object we are to compare is the obj we have detected here that we have stored, that is the hit object, and then the tag. Let's add a tag for enemy, and yeah, if it is enemy, new event kill, else finish this every frame, and kill this destroy object, and the object we want to destroy is the obj, and then we want to just finish next frame event. So what is doing here is that we are checking for the input for the left click, and then we are casting a raycast which is in the direction of x, maybe, or no, z, which is in the direction of z, and if it hits, store the hit event, uh, do the hit event and store the hit object. I'm just debugging with the red color, and in this we are checking that if the object has a tag of enemy, kill it, else we can shoot again. Let me add thing. Let me add a delay, little delay. Wait, wait for 0.5 seconds so we cannot shoot rapidly, and finished this to this, and after this, so that before shooting again we have a little pause, and let's see does it debugs or not. Okay, we have a raycast, and okay, we have to add it in the camera so we can move it upwards and downwards. Okay, but if this happens, if it doesn't hits anything, okay, we can do another thing. We can wait for it for 0.5 seconds and we can come back. Let's do this. That if it hits, then kill. If it doesn't hits in 0.5 seconds. Okay, 0.5 seconds is a little bit longer. 0.2. Let me check this. Uh -huh. 0.1. Maybe 0.1 will be better. And we have only 27 minutes left. Let's see. Let's see that if we can do. Uh, oh, now this is fine. Now this is fine. Okay. 0.2. Or we can just say 0.5, and when it finishes add a wait of 0.4. Finish, it's finished, and finish this. Let's see, let's create a box as an enemy. Let's see, 3D object, cube, and assign a tag of enemy. Let's see that if we can shoot, we can kill him. um, okay, it is destroyed. Let me create some image for the crosshair. Image crosshair canvas, scale with screen size 1920 by 1080, and image, let me see. Okay, let me centerize. Okay, where is the unity? Alt Shift Center, and change the image to knob. Make it smaller. Little bit smaller. Little bit more smaller. Little bit more smaller. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe, or little bit more smaller. Let's add a color of yellow. No, red. No, white. Okay, white is fine. We have the crosshair, and now we see. Let's see if you can kill. Okay, let's go to our player. Now we have some killing mechanics, and now we have to we have to create enemies. And we need the cube to move to the player. Let's make it playmaker FSM. Mhm. Smooth look at, no, move towards, the player. No, use honor. Move towards the player. Mhm. Let's add the player here. Finish distance to 0, speed to 5, and let's see. Okay, he's following me, and I killed him. Let's see. Let's see. Make him a little slower. Maybe 2.5 is better. And let's see if we can kill him. Okay. We have a bit of problem. Oh man, which thing I'm recasting? I have to recast from the camera. I forgot about it. Where's the recast? From object, the main camera. Now it will not whiff with the aim. Okay, that's perfectly fine. We have only 20 minutes left. Let's make a red material for the enemy. Create material, enemy. let's let's add the color to the enemy. Okay, 0.5. Now we have to create the enemy system. uh, let's make it a prefab enemy, and this, and if we touch the player, let me add that. Let me see if we can. Let's unpack it. Prefab, unpack, complete unpack, and add collision event. Collision event, collider tag player. Let's add player tag to player. Enemy, send event, kill this, destroy object, player, destroy object, deattach children, destroy object, gun, without deattaching the, wait for it for 3 seconds, and oh, okay, maybe 1 second, and then finish, and finish, reload, reload, or what's the restart level. There. This will just restart our level when we die, if we die. So let's see if it comes and kills. Okay, he's not killing us. What's the problem? Mhm. Oh, let's remove the gliders from the gun. Remove component. Let me see again. Now if we can make it. Okay, he's not working. Okay. 0.001 or 0.01 finish event kill. Let's try this. Let's see if he can do this. Okay, let's first just generate the enemies, then we can take a look at it. Create empty, spawning points, reset it, and let's create some points in it. Create empty and point 1, point 1. Okay, let's move it here. Control G, let's move it here. Control D, let's move it here. Control D, let's move it here. Control D, let's move it here. Okay, we have 4 points. Oh, or at least we can just have this much points. Let's rename all of them, Oh, let them let me rename. We have only few minutes left. Okay, how much time is left? Okay, only 16 minutes. Learn Python. Hello Ahmed, I am Skhawat, your roommate. Hello, welcome to the stream, Skhawat. Ha ha ha. We have 4 points. Let's create Playmaker FSM to just send random send random event. Okay, send event, no, send random event. We have 4 points. We can send 4 events, and we can add a delay of 1 second, maybe, or make it a little bit harder. Let's one new and two, new and three, new event 4. Let's add all of the events. um, 1 3 4 2, any random point, and we can just, yeah, at the events. We have only 15 minutes left. Create object, create object. Game object we want to create is a prefab assets enemy. Parent will be, spawn point will be, where, what will be the spawn point? Point 1. And next frame event. Let's do this. Let's do this, bro. Let's do it fast. We have only 15 minutes left. Control copy, paste, add the action here, change the spawn point to point 2, and paste, add the action here, point 3, and paste actions, point 4. Okay, let's see if we can create enemies. Okay, randomly enemies are generating, but they are in the floor, unfortunately, and they are coming from everywhere, and they are too fast. Okay, that's a bit problem. Enemy. Okay, move it. Let's make um hmm, the enemy. Okay, let's move the spawn points upwards. Now let's see what happens. Okay, maybe now they are coming to me, or maybe not. Why are guys not coming to me, bro? We have only 12 minutes left. Let me see the FSM of the enemy. Edit. Okay. Okay. Now I see. Let's see now if it works or not. Okay, when it's not working. Oh, okay, bro, you are coming to me. Why are the other are not coming to me? Okay, edit FSM. Okay, he's just creating now. Assets, or we can just create it from here, here, here. For pick this, pick this, pick this. Let's do this. Let's do this. We have only 10 minutes left. Okay, now they maybe are coming to me, and they are coming to me, bro. They are actually coming to me. Let's make the game. We can kill them, and just we have to create a system to kill me. We have to make the delay to 1 second because it is too much harder. Let's stop the spawning points, and yeah, let's make something interesting. Box slider size to 1.5 tab 1.5 tab 1.5. So we can, yeah, it's trigger and move towards trigger event, trigger trigger event, trigger event, user owner on trigger, enter collide tag player, send event, kill. Let's check this.